Ever wondered why a simple paper cut sends signals of pain screaming through your entire body? It's all thanks to the marvel that is our nervous system, a sophisticated network responsible for transmitting signals all around our body. A key figure exploring this intricate system is Dr. Linnea Passaler, author of the enlightening book, Heal Your Nervous System. But you may ask, so how can we ensure this complex system is in its best shape? Let's delve into Dr. Passaler's insights. According to Dr. Passaler, the first step to healing is understanding. Now, let's delve into the two main components of the nervous system, the central and peripheral systems. The central nervous system, or CNS, is the command center of the body. It's composed of the brain and spinal cord, and it's here that all the magic happens. It's where our thoughts, emotions, and movements are controlled and where our sensory information is processed. On the other hand, the peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is the network of nerves that connects the CNS to the rest of the body. It's like the highway that allows messages to travel from the brain to our muscles, organs, and skin. It's through the PNS that we feel sensations, move our limbs, and even have our hearts beat. But here's the key. These two systems aren't separate entities. They're deeply interconnected, like two sides of the same coin. Dr. Passaler emphasizes this interconnection, showing how the health of one impacts the other. A disruption in the central system, for instance, can cause ripple effects throughout the peripheral system and vice versa. It's this intricate network, this dance of signals, that keeps us alive and functioning. And it's this understanding of the nervous system that forms the foundation for healing. As Dr. Passaler puts it, the nervous system does not work in isolation. It's a symphony of signals, all working in harmony. Dr. Passaler makes a compelling case about the profound effects of stress on our nervous system. Picture this. Your body is a finely tuned machine, with your nervous system as the conductor of the orchestra that is your body. However, when stress takes center stage, this harmony can be disrupted. Dr. Passaler explains how stress can wreak havoc on our nervous system, sending it into a state of constant high alert. This overdrive can lead to a host of health issues, from sleep disturbances and digestive problems to heart disease and mental health disorders. It's akin to having your car engine running at full speed all day, every day. You wouldn't do that to your car, so why would you do it to your body? The key takeaway from Dr. Passaler's work is that managing stress isn't a luxury, but a necessity for a healthy nervous system. It's about tuning the orchestra, not silencing it. In the words of Dr. Passaler, stress isn't just in your mind, it's in your nervous system. Now, the question arises, how can we heal our nervous system? Dr. Passaler provides some enlightening answers. We begin with the powerful influence of nutrition. Dr. Passaler advocates for a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods, teeming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can help nourish and protect your nervous system. They can aid in reducing inflammation, improving nerve function, and promoting overall well-being. Next, we explore the role of regular exercise in nurturing a healthy nervous system. Engaging in physical activity, be it a brisk walk, a rigorous workout, or a calming yoga session, can stimulate the release of neurochemicals that enhance brain function, elevate mood, and reduce stress. Exercise also increases blood flow, ensuring that your nerves receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. Adequate sleep is another key component in Dr. Passaler's healing regimen. It's during those restful hours of slumber that your body repairs and regenerates its cells, including those of your nervous system. Quality sleep can help regulate mood, improve cognition, and bolster your overall health. Lastly, Dr. Passaler introduces us to the powerful practice of mindfulness. Whether through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply being present in the moment, mindfulness can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. By quieting the mind, we allow our nervous system to relax and recover from the day's stresses. The potential benefits of these practices are profound. They can lead to improved cognitive function, emotional resilience, and physical vitality. They can help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and grace. But it's important to remember that healing isn't an overnight process. It requires patience, consistency, and a commitment to nurturing your health each day. As you embark on this journey, celebrate each small victory, each healthier choice, each moment of mindfulness. Remember, as Dr. Passaler states, healing your nervous system is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take towards healthier habits is a step towards a healthier you.